In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a deposit without an invoice in QuickBooks Online. Whether you're recording an owner contribution, a loan, or any other type of deposit, the process is simple once you know where to look. QuickBooks Online is designed to help you organize and manage your finances efficiently, and learning how to record deposits accurately is an important part of that. If you don't already have a QuickBooks Online account, you can use the link in the description to sign up and get started today. Now, let's jump into the tutorial. First, open QuickBooks Online and log into your account. Once you're on the dashboard, look towards the top left corner of the screen for the new button. Click on it, and a menu of options will appear. From this list, select Bank Deposit. This will take you to the bank deposit window, where you'll begin entering the details of the deposit. Start by selecting the bank account where the money will be deposited. This step is important because it ensures the deposit is recorded correctly in the right account. Next, set the date of the deposit. Make sure the date matches the one on your bank statement or deposit slip for accuracy. Now, let's add a memo. This is an optional but very useful step for keeping track of the reason behind the deposit. For example, you might write owner contribution or loan proceeds. Adding a memo now can help you quickly identify the source of the deposit later on. Next, move down to the section labeled Add Funds to this deposit. Here you'll enter the details of the deposit itself. Start with the Receive From field. Select the name of the person or company providing the funds. If the name isn't already listed, you can create a new one directly from this screen. Then in the Account field, choose the category that best describes the deposit. This could be an income account, an equity account, or even a liability account, depending on the source of the funds. Once you've selected the account, enter the deposit amount. If applicable, you can also specify the payment method and include a brief description for added clarity. If you're depositing multiple checks or amounts at the same time, you'll want to add each one as a separate line. This ensures that the total deposit matches the amount shown on your bank statement, which is important for reconciliation later. Before you finish, take a moment to double-check everything. Review the bank account, the date, the total deposit amount, and the categories you've selected. Accuracy here will save you time and frustration down the road. Once you've confirmed that everything looks correct, click Save and Close. This action records the deposit in QuickBooks Online. Finally, if you're using bank feeds to download transactions from your bank, you'll want to match the recorded deposit to the corresponding transaction in QuickBooks. This step helps you avoid duplicate entries and keeps your records clean and accurate. And that's it. You've successfully recorded a deposit without an invoice in QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.